Now, seems to be a holiday for just about everything, so it should come as no surprise that Sunday, April 14th is National Ex-Spouse Day.
Interesting. The holiday was started back in 1987, really to put a positive spin on past relationships, however you do that.
Joining us right now is a divorce coach, Latrice Milton. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, National Spouse Day. Do people really observe this, or is this a Hallmark holiday?
It probably is a Hallmark holiday, but it is a great idea. Just like you treat your mom nicely on Mother's Day and Father's Day, this has really started to get spouses to start thinking about treating their ex. Do something nice, like the Reverend thought at first, of returning that prized possession that you just held on to that your ex continued to
make the communication go, right? So, okay, now, Latrice, for people who are having problems getting over a relationship, what is the best way to get over an ex?
Well, the hardest thing is get over the attachment. So you're used to talking to that person and sharing your experiences with them. So you really should start forming new bonds with families and friends. You should consider dating, even though you don't want to rush into something, but having a romantic relationship with someone tends to get you to stop focusing on your ex.
Okay, this is supposed to kind of bridge the gap between two people. What if you don't want to bridge that gap? What if you find no redeeming qualities in that person that you've divorced?
Well, then you don't have to talk to them, but why don't you just keep it friendly so you don't hold on to that bad resentment. They live on with their lives and both of you go forward happy.
But if you have kids, you know, you have to have a civil atmosphere and you do have to get along.
It works best for the kids if you can. So typically you should negotiate a day of the week that you're going to talk about the children and things that are relating to the children.
Now, you're a divorce attorney. So
yes.
Give us, and you're also divorced yourself.
Yes.
So give us some insight as to how your job helps you help your clients.
Well, I definitely understand the common concerns about most families. So when I hear that, oftentimes I just try to make great creative solutions that families can really use to help them resolve their issues during divorce.
And ground rules are important?
Absolutely. And you have to follow them. And also, if someone doesn't behave that way, not to react, and just to maintain your cool and try to treat them the way you want to be treated.
You know, we were talking earlier, and you mentioned before we talked on this interview that you enjoy your job. And some people might think being a divorce attorney wouldn't be fun.
Oh, it's absolutely fun. You're helping people transition into having happier and healthier lives and moving forward from a situation that they weren't happy in. And so we come up with some great plans for people to move forward, and everyone, in the end, turns out to be a lot happier.
Rewarding. Latrice Milton, divorce coach and attorney, thank you for being with us on Wisconsin Tonight. Excellent.